Welcome to our channel. Today, we discuss something we've all felt, the sting of rejection. That gut-wrenching ache when someone ignores you, says no, or turns you down. Believe it or not, your brain literally feels it as pain. Social pain hurts like a physical injury. Imagine this, you ask someone out, and they say no. Your chest tightens. Your stomach drops. That twinge in your heart. That's your brain lighting up. Scientists found that the same brain areas that sense a stubbed toe fire up when you're rejected. Your brain doesn't always know the difference between a scraped knee and a broken heart. Why? Humans are social creatures. Thousands of years ago, being excluded from the group could mean danger, or even death. Your brain learned to take social pain seriously. When rejected, your brain releases stress hormones like cortisol. Heart races. Hands sweat. Thoughts spiral, why me? What's wrong? Even just thinking about rejection can trigger this pain. Memories of bullying, heartbreak, or being left out can hurt years later, but there's hope. Your brain also releases natural painkillers called endorphins. They don't erase the hurt instantly, but they push you to reconnect. That's why reaching out to friends or family can make you feel better. Connection heals social pain. Here's something amazing: social pain teaches empathy. Feeling rejected helps you notice when others are hurting. It builds emotional intelligence. Each painful experience can make you stronger, more understanding, and more resilient, so next time rejection hits, take a breath. It's not about your worth. It's your brain telling you connection matters. Reach out. Heal. Grow. If this video helped you understand why rejection hurts, hit like, subscribe, and comment your story. Have you ever felt social pain stronger than physical pain? Let us know below. Remember, your brain is powerful, your emotions are real, and your connections matter.